Hey guys, this is Brian at Black Star Reptiles. Today I'm going to do a clutch update on my 5th clutch. There was 5 eggs. One of the eggs went bad, so there was 4 snakes that got hatched. It was from a pied yellow belly pastel female, and the dad was a banana Mojave yellow belly, possible het pied. We didn't get any pied, so I'm assuming he's not pied. It doesn't rule it completely out, but all the babies, the dad is also a full clown, so all the babies are going to be het clown, het pied 100%. And so we'll go ahead and start with the first snake at the clutch. So the first snake at the clutch is this one. She's in shed. She's actually a really bright snake, but she's really in shed right now. You can see her eyes are kind of opaque. She's a Mojave banana yellow belly, het pied, het clown female. So she turned out to be a really pretty snake. She's right in the middle of shed, so she's kind of dull, and her colors aren't as bright as she was after her first shed. So we're gonna wait for her to shed, and we'll do her individual update that I put on her listing. We ended up getting we got 2 super yellow bellies, because both the dad and the mom had a yellow belly, and we got 2 genes. So they are possible, I mean, they can be possible banana, possible Mojave, possible pastel, possible anything, but you can't see it because they're super yellow bellies. So they're all white and blue eyes. Really fascinating snakes. They got some really pretty yellow lines with little purple highlights in the underneath side. Come here. Yeah, it scared you, huh? So this is the other one. This one, the last 3 are all males. Really bright snakes. This one is a lot brighter, so I'm assuming he is a banana. The other one is a little darker, but you never know. You have to genetic test them to find out what they have. Then we have this one right here, who turned out to just be, I think it's just a yellow belly, het pied, het clown. It's definitely yellow belly. I was hoping there was something else in her, but once she shed, she's not as, I was thinking she was a pastel yellow belly, but once she shed, she wasn't a pastel, so, or he wasn't. Really beautiful snake though, really nice yellow belly. So anyway, that's our clutch 5. 4 babies out of the whole clutch. I'll do their individual YouTube for their ads, and we'll make sure we do the banana when she sheds, because she is a beautiful snake when she sheds. She just happened to be in shed when I did this video. So anyway, like, subscribe, we'll talk to you later.